Experiencing issues with your Carrier Smart AC app? It's likely due to a few common reasons: software bugs, network incompatibilities, or even hardware malfunctions. Since a major outage in late 2025, Carrier has been actively updating the app. The most common reasons for Carrier Smart AC app issues are software bugs, network incompatibilities, or hardware malfunctions. Following a major outage in late 2025 that impacted millions of users, Carrier has been actively updating the app to address connectivity and functionality issues. Connectivity protocols are key to app function. The Carrier Smart AC app uses secure MQTT for real-time data exchange between thermostats and devices via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Authentication involves linking Carrier accounts through OAuth 2.0. Common fixes include password resets, two-factor authentication reactivation, or clearing app cache. Error codes provide specific guidance. The app shows messages such as E01 for network issues or E05 for sensor faults, with built-in diagnostics that run self-tests. For compatibility, ensure devices run Android 10 Plus or iOS 14 Plus. Enable automatic app updates to prevent bugs and maintain functionality. First, ensure your Wi-Fi is stable and that your Carrier Infinity thermostat is connected. The app primarily uses 2 at 4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. Outdated thermostat firmware can cause authentication failures, so check for updates. Also, verify your smartphone's operating system. The app is compatible with Android 10 Plus and iOS 14 Plus. If you're using an older device, consider updating your OS or using a newer device. If the Carrier Smart AC app can't connect to your account, try these troubleshooting steps. First, reset your Carrier account password. Go to the Carrier website or app login page and select Forgot Password to create a new password. Second, if two-factor authentication is enabled, reactivate it. Go to your account settings and follow the prompts to receive security codes. Third, clear the app's cache and data. Go to your device's app settings, find the Carrier app, and select options to clear cache and data. The Carrier Smart AC app uses OAuth 2.0 for account linking. This secure protocol ensures your authentication is safe and follows industry standards. Following these steps often resolves login and authentication problems with the Carrier Smart AC app. The Carrier Smart AC app displays specific error messages to help identify problems. Common codes include E01 for network issues and E05 for sensor faults. Use the app's built-in diagnostics tool to run self-tests on your system. These diagnostics often suggest solutions, such as power cycling the thermostat or reinstalling the app. Refer to your Carrier user manual for a complete list of error codes and their meanings. During a severe cold snap in the Northeast US in 2025, many users faced app crashes. High demand during cold weather overloaded the servers, causing crashes. Carrier deployed a hotfix via app update with load balancing algorithms. Users were prompted to reconnect, resolving the issue within minutes. This highlights the importance of server redundancy. If you experience similar issues during peak usage times, ensure you have the latest app version. Firmware update glitches can cause connection issues with your Carrier Infinity thermostat. In January 2026, some users experienced connection lost errors after a firmware update. A user fixed this by using the app's diagnostic tool to perform a manual reset. This often resolves firmware-related issues. Carrier also released a patch to fix this issue for all affected devices. Updates are delivered through the app. Always keep your Carrier app updated to receive these fixes promptly and prevent future glitches. A 2025 study by HVAC analysts found that 15% of Carrier app failures in rural areas stemmed from weak cellular signals. This highlights a common issue in areas with poor internet infrastructure. For example, a homeowner in Montana experienced persistent disconnections with their Carrier Smart Thermostat app. The problem was caused by unreliable cellular data in their rural location. To fix the issue, they installed a Wi-Fi extender to boost their home network signal. This device amplifies the wireless coverage, ensuring a stronger connection for the smart thermostat. They also enabled the app's low power mode, which optimizes data transmission for poor network conditions. This reduces the amount of data sent, helping maintain a stable connection. If you live in an area with poor internet infrastructure, consider these solutions to optimize data transmission and improve your Carrier Smart AC app performance. The future of Carrier Smart AC app fixes is evolving rapidly, with a strong emphasis on AI and automation to make troubleshooting faster and more efficient. The future of Carrier Smart AC app fixes is shifting towards AI and automation. Carrier is adopting machine learning for predictive maintenance, allowing the system to anticipate and prevent issues before they occur. Machine learning algorithms are being integrated to enable predictive maintenance. This means the app can analyze your usage patterns and thermostat data to predict potential issues, such as filter clogs or sensor failures, before they cause problems. AI-driven chatbots are becoming central to app fixes. These intelligent assistants can guide users through troubleshooting steps automatically, asking relevant questions and providing step-by-step instructions without requiring human intervention. Cybersecurity is a major focus for future app fixes. New features include biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, to secure user accounts and prevent unauthorized access from hackers. While these advancements bring benefits, challenges like 5G network variability may introduce new connectivity issues. 5G's higher speeds and lower latency are great, but signal fluctuations in certain areas could affect app stability. To address these challenges, Carrier is developing offline modes for thermostats. This allows the system to operate basic functions independently, ensuring comfort and control even when internet connectivity is unreliable.